Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor. Yealink just released a brand new wireless headset just last year, but the problem is it only connects to newer Yealink desk phones that have USB ports, as well as some poly phones that have USB ports as well. That was until today. They just released a brand new adapter called the EH60 that allows you to connect your WH62 or 63 wireless headset to all sorts of brands and makes of headsets, from Cisco to Poly to older Yealink phones that have the RJ9 port. So let's unbox this EHS60 to show you what it's all about. All right, we're gonna put up on the screen a full list of compatible phones, brands, and models that this cable will work for, but let's unbox it to see what's inside here. So let's go ahead and open it up. You got your instruction manual. We got our connection cables here. We'll go more over that in just a second. And you have the EHS60 adapter here. Now, how this is going to work is you have this micro USB adapter that's going to plug into the WH62 or 63. That's going to give you access to the connection ports. You have the RJ9 and the RJ45. This is like an Ethernet port size. And you have the different cables, and each of the cables is going to depend on which make and model of phone that you have. So for example, we have the 5-pin connector. This is going to be for your poly solutions like this one here. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it up to that just to show you what that looks like. So you'll take the big end here, the RJ45, plug it into the RJ45 port. So we have that ready to go. Then you also have your RJ9 connector, and we will go ahead and plug that in here too. Okay, so let's put these cables to the side. And then you have your micro USB that's going to get plugged into the bottom of the WH63 here. So let's go ahead and get that plugged in. All right, now you've got it connected. Now we gotta get it connected up to the phone. And then there's the 5-pin connector. So you just match up those connection points, plug it in. And then you're gonna plug in the RJ9 connector to the headset icon of the phone. So let's do that. So now we are all connected up. So with this setup, you get the ability to answer and end calls while away from the desk, in addition to getting the audio through the headset. So how it works is you would pick up the headset and you would push the on-off button, which will trigger the phone to go on, and also you click it again and it can turn it off. It's that simple and that easy. Now with the headset connected to the Polycom phone, you can also connect up the headset to your computer as well. So you can use one headset for both the phone and the computer, which gives you the ability to use one headset for all your communication needs. The price point on the EHS60 is $45. When you pair that with the headset that ranges from about $160 to $200, that brings the total value of the bundle to $200 to $250 depending upon which model you go with. That's still one of the most competitively priced options on the market that gives you a connection to a desk phone as well as a laptop or computer. And we have a special coupon code for our YouTube viewers and subscribers. Coupon code YouTube, all one word. That's gonna get you a big discount. We'll have links to both the EHS60 as well as the Yealink wireless headsets in the video description below, so go check it out there. Now the other cable that it comes with has a little rubber connector to it, so it keeps these two cables together, which means they need to go together. So what this is for is connecting to other brands of phones like the Yealink, and let me show you how that works. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect the poly setup we have here, and we're going to plug in these connections here. You have your RJ45 and your RJ9. Then if you look on the bottom of the T42S, we have 2 ports here. You'll have your smaller RJ9 connector that will go into the headset port. That'll be with the headset icon. Then you have your larger connection that will go into the EHS port of the phone. So it is a larger than the RJ9, so it gets plugged right there into the EHS port. Now that connects this headset to the Yealink phone. So it gets you that, let me just get these cables out of the way. It gives you that connection to be able to have your older Yealink desk phones that do not have USB ports or support USB headsets to connect to the Yealink WH62 and 63. It's been over a year now since Yealink has released these wireless headsets, and customer feedback has been great on these wireless headsets. They have long wireless range. The noise canceling microphone sounds really great, so it's going to block out a lot of that background noise. And the wearing styles from mono to duo to convertible give you a lot of different wearing options to be able to find one that works best for you. And on our review video, I took this headset probably 300 to 400 feet away from this office, and it really went a long distance. So if you're looking for more wireless range on one headset, this is one to definitely consider. So if you want a innovative wireless headset that's gonna connect to your computer for your Zoom or Microsoft Teams calls, as well as your older Yealink, Polycom, Cisco desk phones, you're gonna wanna take a look at this Yealink WH62 or 63 with the new EHS60 adapter. It's very innovative, allows you to connect to the older technology, and it's priced very well. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you want to see the full in-depth review of the WH63, check that video out right there. And also check out that long-range wireless test we did on the WH62 Yealink headsets. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. We'll see you next time.